Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to create unlimited Gmail account. Yes, we shall be looking at a new method to create unlimited Gmail account, so pay attention and follow me step by step. Please, if today happens to be your first time, don't forget to subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Chrome browser or any browser that you are using. And once you open this browser, just search for temp mail. Now, once we search for temp mail, you can see this temp mail over here. Click on the first one. Now, once you click on the first one, you can see the email over here loading. So you can see your temporary email address loading. Just wait as it is loading. And now you can see the address over here. Click on copy. Now, once you click on copy over here, just go back and open your Play Store. Now, once you open your Play Store, search for Secure VPN. Once you search for Secure VPN, you can see this app has over 10 million plus download. So just download this Secure VPN. If you already having it but not updated, update it to the latest version. And once you are done, open your Secure VPN over here. Now, once you open your Secure VPN, you can see checking network settings. Click on connect and you can see connected over here. So now we are connected to this particular VPN. Now, the next thing you need to do is to open your Play Store once again and update your Gmail app. If it is not updated, search for your Gmail app. So search for your Gmail application and make sure you update your Gmail application over here. So if your Gmail is not updated, you need to make sure you update your Gmail application to the latest version. Once you are done, open your Gmail app. So open your Gmail. Now, once you open your Gmail over here, just wait as it is loading and click on your profile at the top right corner. Now, once you click on your profile at the top right corner, you can see over here, add another account. Click on add another account. And once you click on add another account, you can see set up email. Click on Google. Once you click on Google, you need to wait as it is loading over here. So you can see check-in info. So just wait. Now, it will take you to this place where you can see sign in. Click on create account. And once you click on create account, you can see for my personal use and for work or my business. Click on for my personal use. And once you click on for my personal use, you can see your name over here. So you can see create Google account, a Google account. Click on your first name. So you can enter any name. So you can enter any name of your choice. And then the last name is optional, so you can leave it. And once you are done, click on next. Once you click on next over here, you can see it is asking for your basic information. So you can enter any date of birth of your choice. So you can enter any date of birth of your choice. Now, your gender, select your gender over here. Now once you are done with this information, click on next. Once you click on next over here, just wait as it is loading, and you can see create your own Gmail address. Click on this. Now they have suggested some of the email for you. Don't choose this one over here. So just click on create your own Gmail address. So once you click on that, paste the one we copied from temp mail. So the at gmail.com is already here, so delete everything including the at, and once you are done, click on next over here. Now once you click on next, it is asking for password, so choose a strong password. So now once you have selected your strong password, all you need to do is to click on next over here. And once you click on next, now you can see over here review your account info. Once you get to this this level, it means you are almost done. So you can see that we have done the whole process without using our personal contact. So this is very, very simple and it really works. So click on next over here. And once you click on next, you can see privacy and terms. So you can see over here, review all the privacy over here. And you can see I agree over here. So once you click on I agree, everything is done. So you can see from the process, we didn't use our personal contact. So all you need to do is to connect to the secure VPN over here. And once you are almost done with the whole process, so just do this, and with this process, with the temp mail, you can create unlimited account using this method without using your personal contact. So you can see over here, this is the the account we selected. So you can see the account we copied, the address we copied from temp mail. So you can see the address over here. So once you are done, you click on next, and as you can see, we didn't enter our contact in any of the process. So with this, you can easily create unlimited Gmail account without using your. Hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching.